guys, welcome back to anything I can think of doing right now. And before you watch anything on this video, go down, smash that like button. Let's get 90 likes at the end of this month. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a turtle squishy, as you can see. I got some memory foam, a Sharpie, scissors, and yeah, let's get on. So I'm gonna draw the turtle here really quick. I can't make him too big or else he'll fill up the whole memory foam. So I have to make him pretty small. I'm gonna just draw ears on a circle and then it's kind of gonna look like a person, Alright guys, I guess that's what he looks like. He's looking pretty small today. I tried to make a turtle video. I made him. And then I tried to upload it, but then it failed. And then, so yeah, I'm going to set it down. Cut him out. Cutting out time. Cutting out time. Let's get this. Let's get that part. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm getting him here. Heck yeah. There's his arm. Actually, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show me cutting him. So there he is. I don't know what this thing looks like, so don't ask. But I don't even know what I'm making now. So guys, here's my turtle squishy. Let me cut him out some more here. Cut out his arm. Guys, let me cut him out some legs. Like that. See, he's looking pretty fine today. Let me give him some head. Okay, there's his head. Let me give him some arms and legs. So there's my turtle squishy today. Squish him. Yeah. So he's looking pretty stupid. I don't like him. I do not like him. So yeah, so if you didn't like this video, dislike it. I'd rather you dislike it. Or if you liked it because I tried to cut him. Hey, you know what, Turtle? Since you failed on me, you want to fail on me? Heck no. Oh, you want to fail on me, huh? You want to fail on me? You want to fail? Guys, you see this turtle? You know what I think of him failing on me? That huge mess. That's what I think of him failing on me. Where did he go? What? Guys, where did the turtle... Guys, where did the turtle... Alright, I found the turtle. He's... this thing. So, guys, I'm just going to have to call this video fail. So, go down, smash that like button. I'm kind of disappointed. Kind of not, because I just wasted a huge thing of memory foam. And I didn't mean to do that, but so yeah, don't forget to get on, smash that like button, and And, yeah. So, bye-bye. Stay juicy. Peace.